Hey guys, what's up? My name is Hunter. In this video, we're going to cover exactly what Facebook ads to use for photographers. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm going to share my screen and show you guys which Facebook ads I would personally use for photographers and show you what not to do. Okay, so what you do is you go to facebook.com/ads/library, and then you'll type in photography, and then all the ads that are related to photography show up in this little portal of all the Facebook ads. Okay, so it's actually a pretty cool thing because we can see all our competitors Facebook ads. And so with this knowledge, we already know, or I already know, what Facebook ads to actually use, but now we can see what other people are doing and see, what's out there. So a couple things: you don't want to look at the new ads because they just started running. We want to go down to the more, ads that have been running for quite a long time. Okay, so this ad, February 6th, it's the 9th right now. So you don't really want to look at the new ads because they just started. So you don't really know if they work or not. So I'm going to keep going down here. So we can't even get to the bottom, but that's all right. What the type of picture that you want for your ad, okay? You want, let me see here. You can do a lot of different types of pictures, but what I recommend is don't just take a picture. You can, the picture where you just have an image of like this right here, where obviously they're in a photography booth. Obviously they dressed up for this picture. Obviously there's a professional photographer. If you guys want to use images like this for your business, I'm not going to say no. You guys can definitely do that. But let's just say you're a small time photographer. You don't have a studio, right? Okay. So you would want to use a picture. Let me find one. You'd want to use a picture that's outdoors in a very nice background. So get something that looks really elegant. And then also, you can definitely use a picture like this where there's a wedding or there's a cute family, taking a picture together. You can use a picture like that. But if you guys want to go the extra step, okay, to go the extra step, you would have two photographers. You would have one photographer taking the picture, and you would have the other photographer taking the picture of the photographer taking the super cool picture of the family in the really nice background, and have all the people right there. And then make sure whoever is going to be taking pictures is the person that's taking the pictures of the family, and then have your friend take a picture of you taking pictures of the family, and that would be a really good ad to try out. Okay, so I haven't seen any ad on here like that. It's because not a lot of people know that's an actual real method, but I would prefer to use that method. That way people can see the photographer before they actually call you, and it just makes it that much better. Okay, you can definitely use these kinds of images. I'm just saying you're going to get a better CPM, cost per message, if you do it my way. Okay. So, and then your ad text, just say, hey, your city, exclamation mark, and nearby areas. Um, and then say, I offer photography sessions. And then put down your packages that you offer. Okay. So they know. And then also, and then you can also put your prices. Or actually, I wouldn't put your prices. I would just put down the photography sessions that they can get. That way you give them the price on the phone, and that way you can close them on the phone better. Okay. And then what you want to do is you want to say call or text at the very bottom, and then put your phone number, and also put your phone number in the headline, and you guys are good to go. So without further ado, I'm going to end the video on that. Hopefully, you guys got a ton of value from this video. And to set up the ads themselves or in my course down below. And I'll probably cover it on another YouTube video as well. But without further ado, I will catch you guys on the next one. So see you guys.